Is Jennifer and John Charleston a total scam, or can you actually trust them with your money? Let's break it down, because if you've seen their ads for cozy sweaters or chic home goods online, you're probably wondering if they're the real deal or just another internet trap. Here's what I've found. First, their website claims they're based in places like South Carolina or even London, but every single review I dug up, people say their packages show up from China. That's a huge red flag, especially when the About Us page insists they're a local business. Now let's talk about the products. Imagine ordering a gorgeous knitted sweater, only to get a flimsy printed sweatshirt that looks nothing like the ad. That's what a ton of customers are experiencing. Cheap, synthetic knockoffs instead of quality goods. Some didn't even get what they ordered. Like one person paid for clothes and got a pair of plastic sandals. Seriously? And what if you want your money back? The 30-day money-back guarantee sounds nice until you see the fine print. Returning anything means shipping it to China, and that can cost you more than the item itself. Most folks just give up and eat the loss. What about those glowing 5-star reviews on their site? A lot of them look suspiciously similar, like they're copy-pasted by bots or paid reviewers. Meanwhile, real customers say they get ignored, blocked on social media, or simply ghosted by customer support. So here's my honest advice. Skip Jennifer and John Charleston. Don't risk your hard-earned cash. If you've already placed an order and feel scammed, call your bank right away and ask for a chargeback. And next time, stick with verified retailers that have clear locations and real return policies.